I seem to spend a lot of my time hauling around loads of camera and drone gear to all sorts of places and over all sorts of terrains. So having a trolley or a cart to carry all your stuff around is incredibly useful. And if you go camping or you do lots of activities outdoors, going to festivals and so on, you'll know that having a trolley is almost essential to carry all your stuff in. Now, if you've ever tried dragging one of these up and down hills, along muddy paths through the woods, you'll know it can be pretty hard work. This Litheli E-Wagon W1 Pro is not only a heavy duty cart that will take up to 60 kilograms of stuff, it's an electric vehicle. It's an EV powered by battery that will give you about 3.4 kilometers of range or around 30 minutes of use over mixed terrain. And that is incredibly useful. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Well, the trolley folds for transport, but it's really quick and easy to unfold it. Just undo a couple of straps at the bottom here, push down on the base, then you can pull the handle up, clicks into place, and you're ready to go. And it's got the feel of a very well made product. The frame is made from metal that's got this painted grey metallic finish. And it does feel like it's pretty sturdy, and I don't know if Litheli are planning other colour schemes, but I think this cream, grey and orange do look rather nice. Inside the trolley it's got this nice grey finish, and you've got a couple of useful pockets here for carrying spare batteries, charging leads and straps, whatever you like. And although the sides of this are made from material which is easy to wipe down, the base is completely solid. And that makes it easy to stack things. And this will take up to 60 kgs of load, and that's a volume of about 120 litres. The wheels are 8-inch, the front ones are casters for steering and the rear ones are fixed, and it's really easy to pull about and manoeuvre even when it's fully loaded. And for safety, the front casters have locking brakes that you can lock and unlock with your foot. The really interesting part is under these back wheels. There's a 500 watt electric motor and gearbox that drives the rear axle and the wheels, and it's powered by this U Battery Plus that gives you up to about 3.4 kilometers range or about 30 minutes of mixed terrain travel. And the range will very much depend on what the load is and what the terrain is. This is a 20 volt battery that you can charge with a regular USB PD charger, and on the bottom it's got a USB power output, so you could charge your phones or tablets if you want. And there's a couple of connectors here that plug into the trolley, and then on the top there's a button that you can press to get the status of the charge. So you just slide the battery in here, and it'll only go in one way round, push it down, and then you've got this safety key that you plug in there, and that's the first of 4 safety switches that make sure that this won't accidentally go off by itself. On the handle there's a dial that controls the speed. The small marks are slow and the wide marks are faster. Now this will only run at slow and fast walking pace, so you don't have to worry that it's going to take off at high speed. And it's got a soft start, so it gently accelerates up to speed. I suggest first time you use it, you set this to slow, which is the small mark on the top. Then you can unclip the handle, but keep it upright for now. Press the unlock, and that mechanically unlocks the trigger. Pull it forward and the trolley will accelerate slowly up to whatever speed you set on the dial. And to stop, you just push the handle upright or let go of the trigger and the trolley will automatically stop. And you can tweak the dial to increase or decrease the speed while you're on the move. So there's 4 safety locks on this trolley. The first one is the key needs to be slotted in here. Second is you need to press the unlock button on the handle. The third is you have to pull the trigger in, and then this arm needs to be down at least 30 degrees. Now, this may seem like it's a little bit complicated, but when you're using it, it feels completely natural. And it's great to see that Litheli have given so much thought to safety on this trolley. Remember to stop, just push the handle upright or release the trigger and it'll automatically stop. And when it does stop, there's some regenerative braking that holds the trolley stationary and gives you enough time to put the mechanical brakes on. And that's really useful if you're going uphill and want to stop. It's not going to immediately try and roll back down the hill. And after a short while, the regen brake goes off and you can just pull the trolley around like any normal regular trolley. And that's exactly what happens if the battery runs out. You can just pull this round like a normal trolley. Litheli have obviously spent a lot of time really thinking about the safety features of this trolley, and that's very reassuring. So, how fast does this go? Well, not fast, but fast enough for walking along with, and it can tackle slopes up to a maximum of 10 degrees. And while using this, I found that if you're running at the slowest speed and it's fully loaded, you will need to increase the speed selector dial when you hit a slope. It tends to grind to a halt otherwise. Now, as if this wasn't big enough to carry all your gear around, this is a hatchback. You just undo these 2 zips in the back and unclip this at the side, if I can get to it. And hey presto, you've got a hatchback for carrying even more stuff. It's a very neat feature. Now this comes with a few accessories. You get this elasticated tie-down strap, which you can use to keep stuff in place. You just hook it across these clips on the side, which is very useful and handy if you're stacking a little bit higher, but I don't recommend that you overload this. And the other accessory is this. It's a tabletop, and I can't stress how useful this is. It basically comes with a couple of metal extension poles on the bottom here, and then you replace some clips in the corners, and then this just clips into place like that. And you always need some sort of tabletop when you're out and about for doing something. It really is incredible. And this does fold up small, so you can unclip this. It all packs up like that. These rods come out, they're elasticated and come apart just like on a tent. And there's an included bag that you can store those in. Unbelievably useful. So when you've finished and you get back to your car and you want to load it back in, it's really simple. You just press a button down here and retract the handle, and then use the Velcro strap to hold that in place. I recommend putting the brakes on to stop it moving about. Then, really simple, you just pull this strap, up it comes, and then there's a Velcro strap with a buckle on it underneath that holds it in place. Fits this into the back of your car and you can go home. This Litheli E-Wagon W1 Pro is a crowdfunded project on Indiegogo, and I put links to their page and website in the video description below. The target price on this is $420, and it should be on sale in early September 2023 from the Indiegogo page itself or direct from the Litheli website. But I'll post availability and any updated price details on my community page and socials. Now, when I review products for this channel, I have two important criteria. It has to be something I find interesting, and hopefully you do as well, and it has to be something that I want or I use. And this Litheli E-Wagon W1 Pro satisfies both of those criteria. It's been really well thought out and some great safety features, and it works beautifully. It's a great new idea, and it's incredibly useful if you spend time carting stuff about outdoors. Camping, hiking, trekking, festivals, even shopping, or in my case, carrying around loads of camera and drone gear. And this tabletop has been surprisingly useful. I've used this for drone takeoffs and landings, repairs, and even for having a nice relaxing cup of tea and some cake. Do leave a comment and let me know what you think about this. Your comments are always appreciated, and I try to answer all of them. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.